So hello class 7th, welcome back. In our previous lecture we have done our chapter 5th and we are going to continue this chapter further. Okay. So in our previous lecture what we have discussed? We have discussed about the flow of heat in solids like conduction, right? The conductors are of two types like bad conductors and good conductors, and third is insulator which don't even conduct heat. ओके सो अपने उनको तीन कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया था कि कैसे कैसे कंडक्शन होता है एंड दीज आर द ऑल टाइप ऑफ सॉलिड्स. ओके सो इन सॉलिड्स यू हैव सीन दैट देयर इज अ नो फिजिकल स्टेट चेंज, राइट? बिकॉज इन सॉलिड मॉलिक्यूल्स आर tightly packed like this. So heat will conduct from one molecule to another and then other, right? So there is no displacement of the molecules. यहाँ पे कोई भी displacement नहीं हो रही है molecules की. ये आपको सीधा क्या दिया हुआ कि एक molecule से दूसरे molecule में energy transfer हो रही है. That is called conduction of heat. That transfer of energy from one place to another, or even you can say एक मॉलिक्यूल से अदर मॉलिक्यूल में जब ट्रांसफर होती है उसको बोलते हैं अपने कंडक्शन ऑफ हीट. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू कन्वेक्शन. सो व्हाट इज कन्वेक्शन? कन्वेक्शन इज अ टाइप इन विच देयर इज एक्चुअली ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट बाय द एक्चुअल डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. लाइक सी मूवमेंट ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन वाटर और इन लिक्विड और इन फ्लूइड, यानी कि जैसे जो भी लिक्विड चीज होगी there is a transfer of a molecule. Like if one molecule is got heated, then it will transfer to other and heavier, which means more denser molecule will come at the place of heating, right? So ऐसे क्या होगा कि एक molecule heat हो जाएगा, वो चला जाएगा और दूसरा molecule उसकी जगह ले लेगा. That is called convection. There is a actually displacement of molecules which led to the transfer of heat. उसको अपने क्या बोलते हैं? कन्वेक्शन. तो जो सॉलिड्स होते हैं उनमें क्या होता है? कंडक्शन. सॉलिड लीड्स टू कंडक्शन, बट लिक्विड्स, फ्लूइड्स एंड गैसेस लीड्स टू कन्वेक्शन. जो गैस होती है वो क्या होती है? कन्वेक्शन को फॉलो करती है. व्हाई? बिकॉज देयर इज ऑल्सो अ ट्रांसफर ऑफ molecules from one place to another. The heated molecule will transfer and go to another place, and the other one which is not heated come to that place of heating is called convection. So if you can define that, the method by which heat is transferred by mass movement of liquid or gas itself is called convection, right? कि mass movement means movement of molecules, because mass consists of molecules, or even any mass consists of molecules. So molecules means mass movement of any liquid, fluid or gas is called convection. Okay, so there is activity. For example, here you have seen there is a burning pot on fire, right? We have placed a pot on fire. एक कोई भी बीकर को या कोई भी आप कंटेनर को जिसके अंदर वाटर हो उसको आपने क्या किया? बॉईल होने के लिए रखा है. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? जो ये वाला एरिया है इसको हीट मिल रही है, द बॉटम इज गेटिंग हीटेड, एंड आफ्टर हीटेड द लेयर अबव दिस वाटर, जो लेयर इस वाटर के ऊपर होगी, जो बॉटम के ऊपर होगी, वो क्या होगी? हीट होना स्टार्ट होगी. इट विल गेट स्टार्ट हीटेड, एंड व्हेन इट विल हीटेड यू हैव सीन कि आपके वहां पे शो हुआ होगा बबल्स बनते हैं. मीन्स दिस वाटर गेटिंग हॉट and this water going upside and upside water getting down. What is the reason behind this? The hot water, जो water गर्म हो चुका है, it will get less denser, कि जो उसकी density है वो कम हो जाएगी. जो water जो है वो क्या हो जाएगा? free to move हो जाएगा, बिल्कुल easily handle हो जाएगा, बिल्कुल low density का हो जाएगा. And you know that lower denser material will go up and higher denser will go down. So जब इसकी डेंसिटी कम होगी, द हॉट वाटर विल गो अप, एज वी हैव सीन दिस हॉट वाटर मार्क एरो, दैट द हॉट वाटर विल गो अप एंड द कोल्ड वाटर, जो ऊपर कोल्ड वाटर था, विल गो डाउन. एंड आफ्टर अ फ्यू मिनट्स ऑफ हीटिंग यू विल सी दैट ऑल द वाटर गेटिंग हॉट. दैट इज द प्रिंसिपल दैट देयर इज अ ट्रांसफर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स, दैट hot water molecules is getting to upside and upside molecules getting down. मतलब कि जो हॉट मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं वाटर के या वो हॉट वाटर है वो क्या है, वो ऊपर जा रहा है, और जो कोल्ड वाटर है जो ऊपर है हाई डेंसिटी का वो क्या आ जाएगा, हॉट वाटर वाली मींस बॉटम के साथ वाली लेयर पे आ जाएगा। तो सिमिलरली ऐसे लेयर्स चेंज होती रहेंगी और वन बाय वन करके ऑल द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ वाटर गॉट heated, and what you will observe that all the water is hot, all the water getting hot. So here the principle which is used is convection. Okay, so convection. So now the second thing we have considered first for liquid, this activity is for liquid. Now we have considered the gas, like we have said na ki liquid or gas. So even you have to say gas also. So let us prove it for gas, that gas also follow the convection process. So how it follows, for that you have to take a wooden box. Okay, so in that wooden box what you have to do, you have to place front glass, means the box which you have taken consists of the front glass, means to say that the candle which we are going to place in it is visible from outside. Okay, so here you have seen we have placed a candle in between that, front is of glass, and here we side we have leave a window. Window means that the particular side is being opened. Okay, so हमने क्या किया, इस साइड इसको ओपन किया है एंड द फ्रंट साइड इज ग्लास, जो फ्रंट साइड है उसको ग्लास से कवर किया ताकि हमें जो कैंडल हमने अंदर रखी है उसको वो हमें दिख सके. नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू मेक अ होल इन दैट, जो ऊपर वाला जो आपका टॉप होगा उसमें आप क्या करोगे, होल क्रिएट कर लोगे, जिसके कारण क्या होगा कि एक होल आ जाएगा जिसके ऊपर आप चिमनी बना लोगे. चिमनी मीन्स यू हैव टू फोल्ड योर पेपर लाइक दैट, रोलिंग दैट एंड जस्ट प्लेस ऑन दैट, इट विल गिव यू द चिमनी. सो नाउ लिट द कैंडल, कैंडल को बर्न करेंगे. So after that you have to place your hand above the chimney. When you place your hand above the chimney you will see that your hands getting hot or warm. क्यों हो रहा है, because the air coming from inside to outside is getting hot, means the molecules here, the molecules which are cold is getting hot by here, means it is also following what process, convection process. Okay, so for visibility we are going to take an instant stick. Okay, instant stick means agarbatti. We are going to take a instant stick, means to say agarbatti, and we have a flame of that. So we are going to getting this near, and after some time you will see that these flames are getting outside from this chimney, means gas molecules are going to convection it. Okay, so they are going to follow convection process. So we have discussed that water also form, water or you can say even any liquid follow convection process, and similarly gases also have convection process followed. So we have now examples and many advantages of that, so we are going to discuss that. So guys, here we are going to consider some of uses of convection currents. Okay, so what are the uses of convection currents in our daily to daily life, what principles we use? Generally we know we use many of the things, okay, in which convection currents are going to use. So we are going to just have a look on that. Okay, so first is ventilators and exhaust are placed near to the ceilings. कि जो वेंटिलेटर्स होते हैं जो हमारी हवा निकालने के लिए होते हैं, या फिर एग्जॉस्ट होते हैं जो हमारी हवा निकालने के लिए होते हैं, जो रूम के वेंटिलेशन के लिए यूज होते हैं, उनको जनरली दे आर प्लेस्ड नियर द सीलिंग्स, जो ऊपर छत होती है उसके बिल्कुल पास में प्लेस किए होते हैं. वाई दे आर प्लेस्ड नियर टू द सीलिंग्स? सो देयर इज अ रीजन अबाउट दैट कि वो छत के पास में इसलिए प्लेस किए जाते हैं बिकॉज द हॉट एयर, लाइक वी ब्रीथ, ओके, एंड वी एस्केप हॉट एयर्स, राइट? कि अगर हम सांस लेते हैं तो वी व्हाट वी एस्केप hot air or warm air from our mouth. Okay, so if many persons are sitting in the room is getting hot, right? Room is getting somewhat warm. So for that, for making room cool and getting the pressure down and temperature down, we use exhaust, so that when we breathe, hot air getting or warm air getting upside, going to rise upward and getting near to the ceilings, and there we have placed what? Ventilators and exhaust, so that the hot air is getting out and cold air is remaining in the air. Okay, cold air is remaining in the room and more fresh air came into the room. This will get us proper breathing and proper temperature and pressure in the room. So we have cleared that point. Second point is smoke and gases. As we know, when we smoke, you don't have to smoke, even if anyone smokes, right? So if anyone smokes, and the gases mostly the like when we hot the water, when you make the water warm, okay, so that the gases will rise up because they are hot. Okay, so when they are hot, they are going to rise up, and when they are going to rise up, they will escape through the chimneys or in industrial areas. Okay, because gases are going to evolve in industrial areas, and as we know, we have placed chimneys at our homes also, so that the vapors or the hot airs coming from that is going to outside, and this will not let our room temperature, kitchen temperature more high. So this is our second point. So moving to the third point, which is application for winters, like heaters and blowers heat our room by setting up the convection current. So how the heaters getting a room hot? So there is a convection current setup. So how they set up their currents? This was like when we start that heater or any blower, it will giving you the hot air, means the nearby air is getting hot and this is getting to upside कि वो ऊपर जाती रहेगी. And as we have considered in the previous example, like कि hot air होती है जो वो getting upside and more air coming to that and getting more upside. Okay, so ऐसे करते करते क्या होगा, room की जो total air है is getting hot, and if room is closed, after some time your room is getting properly warm, so that you will not feel cold. And this is the application of convection current. So here you have done your third point. So now moving to your fourth point, which is fireman crawls to enter a building where fire has broken out. कि जब फायर होती है, means if any building catching fire, means कि कोई भी बिल्डिंग को अगर फायर हो जाती है या फिर कोई भी बिल्डिंग फायर से सफ़र कर रही है, तो जो फायरमैन होते हैं, मीन्स फायर ब्रिगेड्स, who derive fire brigades. So okay, so fireman came and crawl means रेंग के जाना. Okay, so they crawl to enter. Why so? Because the hot air and smoke rise upwards. कि अगर आग लगी है, फायर लगी है, so the smoke and hot air going to side upside, and if we crawl, then we will be definitely defending the fire and we can easily help them for fire. And fifth is sea breeze and land breeze. So let me tell you what is breeze. Breeze is the cold air, yeah, and you can say breeze is the air movement. Okay, movement of air from one place to another place is called breeze. कि air का one place से okay दूसरी place तक जाना air breeze बोलते हैं उसे. Air movement is called breeze. So there is a sea breeze, means the air moving from sea, and the land breeze, the air moving from land. This is a quite big application, so we are going to consider it in next lecture with your proper diagrams and all the things, and in next lecture we are going to study also the radiations. Okay, so this is quite new topic. So for this lecture you have to study this much, and in next lecture we will carry on. So thank you, stay safe, stay home.